So in this video, we are going to discuss about the planet Mars. What are the top 10 facts or the factors which are very important to understand before we move in our journey of astrology. As you all know, because you have already watched a couple of my videos on planets and zodiac signs, these things are very important. I keep on saying that I have a good knowledge about planets, zodiac signs, about the houses, nakshatras, because these are the foundation, these are the basics. If your basics are clear, you can really go way forward. You can really success in the field of astrology. Without foundation, there is nothing. In fact, for that matter, for any field, if you don't have the basics or if you don't know the foundation of it, then it becomes really difficult for you to get into very higher advanced level. So today we are going to discuss about the planet Mars and what are the facts or what are the things which is really important for you to know about the planet Mars. The first very important fact is that Mars is known as the planet Mangal in Vedic Jyotisha. Mars is linked with a thing called as Manglik. So you must have heard about this word Manglik, that okay, this person is Manglik, that person is Manglik, which is good, which is not good. Now what is Manglik is that when the Mars, which is linked with this terminology Manglik, Mars, if placed in the horoscope in the first house, fourth house, seventh house, eighth house and 12th house, if Mars is in these houses, that means you will be Manglik. Now what happens with this is that this Manglik thing is seen or analyzed while doing your matchmaking or for marriages. It is considered, this element is considered really very important in marriage matchmaking. Whether will I be compatible with this person or no, it all depends upon if I am Manglik or no, or if the other person is Manglik or no. The first very important thing which I should convey to you guys is that the Manglik concept or the Manglik theory is a hoax, is unscientific, it's biased, and it is obsolete now. In today's world, we are in 2021, and the Manglik thing is and in fact it was never scientific. Okay, why am I saying this statement that the Manglik thing really doesn't work? As I said, 50% of this population on this planet Earth is Manglik. So that should really not bother anyone that 50% is Manglik, not Manglik. Second important thing is that the Manglik thing is very limited to certain religion or certain society, but it is not accepted by everyone. Now third important fact is that, as I said, Manglik is when why it is not scientific is because of the fact that the placement of Mars, if Mars is in 1, 4, 7, 8, 12, there's no logic behind it. First house, they say these things, the Manglik concept was created to just to scare you guys. You might be a layman, you might be a learning astrologer, or you might be a big astrologer, or you might be a student at the moment. So just think about this fact, think about what I am saying, whether it is Manglik thing is scientific or it is just an tool or just a theory to scare you guys. When you go to Panditji or to astrologer and they say, oh my god, you are in Manglik, oh my god, this is Manglik, this is not suitable for your son or for your daughter or for you. These things doesn't matter really. Believe me, this is not scientific, and there is no scientific or logic behind Mangal or Manglik or Mars bringing hurdles in your relationship or marriage, or for that matter for anything in life. Okay, so that was one important fact which I wanted to discuss for the planet Mars today. Okay, and just to complete this fact, this Manglik theory has come somewhere into existence in the last 80 to 100 years, you can say, right? This is something which has come into existence in so many years. And apart from this, there are other things like Kalsar doshas, other sorts of all those doshas in Vedic Jyotisha, along with Manglik, which has really become a big business for a lot of people, a lot of astrologers and stuff, to scare people and just kind of dig out the pockets and earn a lot of money. So I will certainly do some more video about specifically this topic, but today let's move forward with the other factors which are really important for the planet Mars. The next fact is Mars is masculine in nature. Mars is the planet which really represents energy. Mars represents the willpower in a person. So if a person really has a good Mars, the willpower energy will be fantastic. The third important fact for the planet Mars is Mars is scientific in nature. So Mars rules two zodiac signs, Aries, the first zodiac sign, and the Scorpio, which is the 8th zodiac sign, out of which Aries and Mars, the Mars of Aries, or you can say Aries and Mars, are very, very scientific in personality. Scorpio is not scientific. Scorpio is orthodox. Scorpio is something which is very opposite to scientific. The next very important fact for the planet Mars is that people with a very dominating Mars, they will love eating spicy food because Mars is aggressive. Mars is a planet of anger, aggression, also proactiveness. People with strong dominating Mars, they love all sort of spices, lot of spicy food. And did you know that your smoking habit is because of the planet Mars? If Mars is not placed in a good zodiac sign or in a good house or in a good nakshatra in the chart, it can lead into addictions, and specifically smoking, because Mars is linked with tobacco. The element of Mars is tobacco, and because of which people will usually get into tobacco chewing habit or pan habit in India, or smoking, predominantly smokers. So Mars is linked with all those things. And Mars, the personality of Mars is such that they are very proactive, they are very quick, they are very fast, they need like quick, fast results. Like if Mars is having supper, they will eat it very quickly, very fast. They will walk very fast, brisk walking. Okay, so that's the energy level which is very high in this particular planet Mars. Now next fact is related to the health. What are the health factors, or if the Mars is not well placed, what can be the health issues which a person can face? Usually if Mars represents like good energy level, Mars represents masculine energy. Having said that, if Mars is not well placed, then it can lead into hemoglobin related health issues, because Mars is the controller of your RBC and WBC, red blood corpuscles and white blood corpuscles. So RBC, WBC is being controlled by the planet Mars. And apart from that, any blood related issues in body, because Mars is red in color, and in our body we have this blood fluid which is also reddish in color. So Mars represents blood. So blood related health issues are predominantly seen if Mars is ill placed. Apart from that, problems like acidity because of spicy food. Mars guys, they love eating spicy food, and in lieu of eating a lot of spicy food, they can face digestion or more of acidity or acidity attacks. Not much digestion, but acidity related time to time health issues will be faced. And in Ayurveda there is something called as Pitta Dosh. So the Pitta Dosh is also because of Mars. Next fact is that what are the career options? Now Mars is very logical, very scientific. The career options which are very straightforward are engineering, any work which is related to technical related work like IT, any career options which is related to military or police Why? Because Mars is very short-tempered. Mars is very aggressive. Mars is masculine. So all these fields of career options will be really great for Mars. And engineering and any mechanical or machine related or machinery related work will be most suited for Mars. The next important fact for the Mars is Mars rules two zodiac signs, which is Aries, the first sign, and the eighth zodiac sign, which is Scorpio. Mars, the lucky number for the Mars is the number 9. The lucky color is the color red, and the direction of planet is south. The southern direction is kind of very auspicious. In fact, in the Vastu Shastra also, the southern direction is like very good for Mars. Mars rules 3 nakshatras, which is Mrikshirsha, Chitra, and Dhanishta. Out of which Dhanishta is Mars's favorite nakshatra. Why? We'll cover that in our nakshatra playlist, nakshatra video. Mars can go retrograde. Mars goes retrograde in every 22 to 24 months, up to 70 to 72 days. So almost approximately 2.5 months Mars stays retrograde in the sky. So these were all the facts about the planet Mars. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I have a playlist with all the planets, all the other planets, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus. Do watch that videos in case if you really want to learn more about planets in astrology. And thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.